They are 4. You see that? Chief, he said he should come. Ziga. Can subscribe to my channel. That's the Nationalist TV. Can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, on Facebook too. You can follow me. It's Nationalist TV. Former Asante Kotoko chairman visit Ashanti Regional Chief Imam. Is the office owner? He called me, but why he called me? Sky, everybody.
On behalf of the Regional Chief Imam and the entire Muslim community, which welcome you here today. The position came to us yesterday that you coming slowly. You're coming here always that to the country as a first of time back. Some close to 2.5 to 2 decades to you and your entourage. It's a very big welcome to you today. You're welcome. Normally, just in the Eid al-Fitr, some few days ago, we celebrated the Eid al-Fitr. That climaxes the 30 days of an extra that we took. So, I mean, it's not a coincidence, but rather a blessing that brought you here today. So, we are very, very grateful. We are very, very happy to see again a very big welcome today. And my good friend who wanted to become a Muslim some time ago, but he got this. It is today that I saw him. Likely the Imam is here. So today we'll give you a Muslim. You are welcome. Normally we say your mission here.
Said you late night, and I say that Mr. Benz also no bar, Masino. And maybe a nice Zungu in the roots. Papa, it's not yes, you also be on your high class. Maybe a Zungu in the roots. All for 5 years. Zungu on the format, I am over. It is a good side that we see that. Let's say a kite is maybe let's say back. Na I walk at the Diabo Man or Baba says I'm by now watch the resources. That's so I would man. Then I see about 21 years. Then they are very 21st time. First on the last as a baby, I'm not Casama. As as we speak, as part of training, let's say, of course, about training, that's or one Casa and
Let's go.
It's not right if I say. I'm in my senior brother's house, and the respect, is deep. So Chief Imam, the other chiefs, my brothers here. As I said, is respect. Whenever I'm allowed to come to the mosque, I come here with your permission. I come here in humility. Many years ago, when I was in charge of kotoko, it is the same mosque I used to come. Even though the chief imam then, I think, was a cornerstone supporter. I think maybe a little anti-kotoko even. But he took me like his son. Yeah. And he gave me very good advice. May 9th, when it happened, I called Otunfo, and I also came to Kumasi to see the chief imam to explain what has happened. Because tragedies like this, you have to consult with Allah to understand things better. Even though as human beings we can never understand. So we have to do that. So it is respect. Throughout the year, 12 months in a year, I have the chance sometimes, if I'm lucky, to speak with the chief imam. And it lifts my spirit, it gives me strength. So May 9th is coming, so we are here again. I think it's important that I also say happy birthday to Otunfo. Otunfo is also a really great man. He has been my father. And even though he's in America, he's far away, we still wish him happy birthday and give him that respect. This year is our 21st year we have been doing this. For 21 years, we have been honoring the people who died. We have been honoring the families. We have also, in the 21 years, adopted a lot of new people. Those who died in the floods, those from the atomic blast, even some of the disabled have followed us. Deso, Auntie Mavis, we have been able to provide walking sticks and wheelchairs and so on. But you don't do this as an individual. You do it because you are representing others. And it is only possible if you do it with the respect and the blessings of the religious leaders. And my choice has always been the chief imam here in Kumasi. People always ask me why Kumasi. We used to be in Accra. And for me, there are not many people I listen to. Otunfo is one, and the chief imam is also another. The future of our country, the future of our youth, depends on leaders who will be here until the good Lord says no. And for me, Otunfo, chief imam, are critical for the future of my children, of your children, of the future. We live in difficult times where it is difficult to understand many things. So it is through prayer and worship and respect that we can come through this period. So when I come here, when I was coming, it was raining very hard on the road coming. And I received a phone call, somebody was asking, then you cannot make it to the mosque. I said, even with thunder and lightning, we shall be here at the mosque. When I came to the mosque, I saw it was being refurbished, which is fantastic. And I think we have to say prayers. I have to spread the word to business people that I know that if there are difficulties, they should also get involved. Because it is a place where everybody congregates. Big, small, old, young. The mosque, the chief imam, the chiefs, the elders provide guidance for all of us. So we're here for May 9th, and I thank the chief imam for allowing me into his holy home. His holy home. Because as my dear friend was putting me down small here, was saying, as a word, my father developed all his business at Rex, and he lived in this part of Kumasi. In Kumo, where I come from, most of the migrant Muslim population were looked after by my late father. So my link genetically through blood is here. If I have a problem in Accra, because you know Accra is another place we live, it is here I will come and seek guidance and protection. Protection for the Chief Imam and for my brothers and sisters. Chief Imam, thank you. May 9th thanks you. The families thank you. And all of those associated also thank you.
Thank you. Say that Kumasi moving forward and I'm supporting cornerstone. I didn't support. I'm the cornerstone of the Imam. I support Imam Imran. I will play for cornerstone. May I play for Kumasi Great Asante. But I'm a full supporter. This man, in that way, they say, he knows well. I'm a full supporter. So, Mr. Herbert, we thank you so much for this act. You don't understand much. We always saw you May 9. You came here. Last time you came, or maybe about 3 or 4 years ago, you played a football match at Abuabo Post Office. Now you came, the mosque is renovating. We, we, we ask Allah to let us finish the mosque. Next year, May 9, we are here. The mosque is open. We do everything in the mosque. Inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As your remembrance is going on. We ask Allah blessings and long life and prosperity. So long life we still have it healthy, not long life with sitting down idle. Long life with healthy, moving around everywhere. So celebrating memorial for the May 19th. So we thank you so much. Barakallah fiha. وأعانك الله في كل أحوالك وأقوالك وأسمائك كلهم جميعا بالخير. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعليكم السلام. ربنا انصرنا بنا انك انت السميع العليم يا مولانا انك انت التواب برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين. سبحان ربك رب العزه عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين.
yana lalata bera nan take mutu yana sa bera ya mutu ya bushe ya kame kamar an gona bera duk kwaɗai da wayo duk fitina da bala'i da gani ba bari da iya shege na bera yau kaga ajalinsa za ka dana mai akwatin mutuwa ya dawo uban masu maganin bera ne ko sun iya bare sun yadda maganin nan yana dukkan ka hanyar bera mala yana ɗaukar ruwan jikin bera.
I don't care. Ready. Everybody ready.
Ready.